Welcome back to day 3. Took the Uber out to the location again, straight upstairs, and took a quick sneak peek to see how it was looking. Firstly, I had to unwrap the helical lift before we could test the motor. The electrician on site was ready to wire up the power for it, and so we had to make sure that all the support around the lift during transport was clear. Once that was done, I could connect the motor, and then it was time to unwrap the sculpture slowly but surely to get all the packaging off to reveal the full sphere. Once that was done, you can see all of the track switches and gates and things like that were all wrapped individually, and so I had to make sure that they were all working. You can see me doing that with one of the tipping arms. After that, we had to break out the cloths and give it a good clean. For a few months it's been sitting in the crates, collected quite a lot of dust, and the marbles don't roll very well with all the dust on the track. Once the cleaning was done, time to get it first run. And you won't believe what happened next. So it's pretty windy up here, as you can see, and as a result the sculpture's getting its own little burst of wind to make it an auto spinning feature. Didn't expect that to happen, but that's a bit of a win in my books. She's rocking now. We didn't do anything. She's just spinning on her own because of the wind. That's awesome.